In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get BambooHR API key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your BambooHR account and how to safely generate a key you can use for integrations and automations. First, open your company's BambooHR account in your browser and sign in. Every company has its own BambooHR domain, so you'll typically access it through your organization's unique URL. You don't need any special tricks here, but you do need the right permissions. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, your BambooHR administrator may need to grant access. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile icon. It's the small user avatar that opens a personal settings menu. Click at that icon to reveal more options tied to your account. From that menu, choose the API keys option. This is the dedicated place in BambooHR where you can manage keys associated with your user account. If this doesn't appear, it usually means your role doesn't have permission to create keys. In that case, ask an admin to enable it or to generate a key for you. Inside the API keys page, click the button to add a new API key. This starts the creation process and tells BambooHR you want a fresh, unique token for an integration. You'll be prompted to enter a name for the key. Choose something descriptive and specific, like the name of the tool or workflow that will use it. Clear names make it easy to audit, rotate, or revoke the right key later without guesswork. When you're ready, click Generate Key. BambooHR will create the key instantly. Most platforms show the full key only once right after generation for security reasons. Treat this like a password. Store it securely, share it only with the system that needs it, and avoid pasting it into chats or emails. If you're testing in a development environment, label the key accordingly so you can keep production and testing separate. If the key is ever exposed or no longer needed, come back to this page to revoke it and generate a replacement. That's all there is to it. You went to your BambooHR account, opened your profile menu, selected API keys, added a new key, named it clearly, and generated it. With that done, you're ready to plug the key into your integration settings and start connecting systems safely and reliably. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your keys secure and rotate them periodically as part of good security hygiene.